As a land-grant university, UVM is charged with making sure that its faculty and staff provide practical, research-based education to Vermont citizens. The 134 solar panels on the roof of the Ellen A. Hardacre Equine Center at the UVM farm on Spear Street are a shining example of how the University of Vermont is putting knowledge to work for today and for tomorrow.
And it's a future where energy and agriculture are going to be critical to your future, to my children's future, and to my grandchildren's future.
Secretary of the Vermont Agency of Agriculture, Chuck Ross, was on hand at a recent press event to talk about the important link between agriculture and energy.
We in the agency want to take advantage of the kind of leadership we see here at the university. We want to understand the economics and the logistics of getting this done. As a graduate of the University of Vermont and a believer in the responsibilities that land grants were given many, many years ago, this is exactly the kind of work we need the University of Vermont and other land grants to do, to show the way forward on a new technology, new opportunities for agriculture and frankly for the state. And this offers a chance for farmers to diversify their income stream, which is good for their farm, and good farms, economically profitable farms, are good for Vermont.
The story of Rachel Cadwallader Staub's involvement in the Equine Solar Project is
The idea to install solar panels on the roof of the Equine Center came out of a 2009 class that was taught by Josie Davis, the Associate Dean in the UVM College of Agriculture and Life Sciences. Rachel Cadwallader Staub asked Davis about how the equine facility could be greened up a bit through the use of renewable energy.
Rachel is not unlike a lot of our students in that she really listens to all facets of what you're trying to teach, and then she has the foresight to kind of find things, the lifelong learning that you hope they have, to look for opportunities and then apply these things that she's learned in the classroom and takes it out to the, in her case, the community.
In one whirlwind weekend, Cadwallader Staub, with late-night edits from Davis, wrote a grant proposal that was funded by the University of Vermont Clean Energy Fund, a self-imposed student fee of $10 per student per semester. The fund advances renewable energy research, education, and infrastructure on campus. The total cost of the project was around $136,000. The panels generate enough power to run 8 medium-sized homes. For Davis and Ross, this project is about opening up a new field in Vermont's agricultural landscape.
People can come and look at what we've done here. We can talk to them about, the low impact, what it cost, what it's doing. We can actually show them what it's generating. And it's sort of taking us into the next era. We need to be doing more with renewable energy. So, and the fact that this is an equine facility, there are a lot of equine businesses in the state. So yes, hopefully they'll come and see that this is not that difficult to do, and that they should recognize a turnaround on it in a 7 to 8 year span.
Between what we hope we can provide in the resources with the agency and the Department of Public Service and the University of Vermont, we hope we can see opportunities to point farmers at where they can take advantage of this kind of opportunity to generate energy on their farm.
Energy off the roof and on the farm. It's UVM today and Vermont tomorrow. In South Burlington, I'm Keith Silva with Across the Fence.